Next up, For Good.
I've heard it said that people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are meant to lose. Help us most to grow if we let go.
Let me look through this real quick. I messed up there, so I'm gonna start it over, try to get that 100. Nothing weird, I guess. Not from that quick glance. Let's do it.
I've heard it said